Alright, how's it going, everybody? Wow, so what does this call for? It is 35 minutes past 8, and that was that evening. This camera doesn't really pick up dark places very well, which is bad. But this place is Carmageddon. So every 2 days in August we have a firework championship. I'm not sure what it's for. I got told the person that is the winner gets this like huge contract with somebody or something, but it's a free fireworks show. Like I said, it's a championship, so they really do go all out. It's free. The only downside is it's a bitch to park. I think I've done okay. I'm far away-ish. So, you know, I'm not going to be getting that much footage because it's going to be dark and I really can't do that much. I will show some fireworks off. Nobody's with me. I tried to get some people to come, and I'm all on my own, but I got my supplies. I got a foldable chair, collapsible chair, got my coat, got some supplies there, got my phone, got a blanket for my legs because I'm wearing shorts, well, not shorts, 3/4 length, got a hat, ready for this, hat gives birth to gloves. So this is what it looks like out here. Just think about the coast, packed like this. There's boats, there's police there, there's boats down there, because people, rich bastards, go in there and get a good seat. There's a place back there doing parking as well, but this is just fucking gorgeous. So glad it hasn't come out. So let's go find a spot. Okay, so we got my seat now. This place is extremely busy. Down there is all the coastline. Over there as well, that's, my finger looks pointy, that's where other people are. You got the rich people out on the boats over there. There's just people everywhere. It's definitely an event that brings our city together. The red clouds are now disappearing. But that was a fucking awesome sight. I'm glad I got that on film, because I knew it wouldn't last, but it's starting to get dark. The time is okay, so it's 8:57. The thing's gonna start in half an hour. Kid almost crashed into me, but I think I got a prime spot. It's very busy. Very busy. Thousands of people, I think. And I'm just sat in the middle of a field. So, that yellow kid almost crashed into me as well. So I'll see you when it starts to get a bit darker, and I'm just going to play some Angry Birds, I suppose. Fucking hardcore gamer. Oh yeah, you can see that over there. That's like our big wheel, you know, like the London Eye has one. Apparently we rented that with the city's money. So that's pretty cool if you're up there. They have a VIP box, so I think we spend £50, you go around 3 times and get champagne. That's a rip. Over there, next to that person's head is an island, called Drake's Island. Nobody goes there. Harbour down there. Yeah. Hello. Shout out to a boy at me and I said hello, and that creepy man had never gone to tell the parents, so I'm probably in trouble. That's it, I suppose. I'll see you when the fun starts. The one thing I forgot to show you is the fireworks they launch off behind the tree, just over there. So I got a good view. Yeah, just like that. So expect a lot of fireworks. Oh yeah. That's the party when I'm around. It's on time. So they're like the amounts of fireworks.
Deliver me. watching them.